Hey friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. Today's recipe is gonna be a good news for all the donut lovers there because I am here with a no wait recipe, maybe we can say, because here we don't have to wait for the yeast to rise because this recipe is no yeast recipe, and the best part is it just needs 3 ingredients only. So rush to your kitchen and grab these simple ingredients and make this fluffy and melted mouth donut holes right now. And this is really gonna be a must try recipe. And for those who are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my upcoming recipe. So let's have a look at the ingredients, the just 3 simple ingredients what we need. Here I've taken 2 cups of all-purpose flour or Maida. This is actually around 280 grams when measured, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon in the proper measuring teaspoons, not the normal ones. And here I have taken around 1.5 cup of yogurt, which is around 370 grams when weighed. Here this all-purpose flour or maida is sifted well before adding it to the bowl, and then I have added the baking soda, and here I am adding the yogurt to this. Here this doesn't need any kind of kneading or anything, but the mixing would take time because we really want all the ingredients to incorporate well. And I know the dough is very sticky, it sticks to your hands, so do not try it with the hands. Better take a spatula or this thing. And then once it's mixed well, you just have to transfer it to a Ziploc bag. And I'm just brushing some oil so that it really doesn't stick a lot and easily get into the oil. And here you can even use the piping bag with a round nozzle, the large one, so that you get that perfect round donuts. Here I'm showing it in the Ziploc bags because not everyone might be having the piping bags ready at home now. And then here I've added all the batter, not everything. I had a big quantity, so just 1/3 maybe, and then just filled it inside, as my Ziploc bags was the smaller one. Just around 1 inch I've just cut the tip of it, and here we start frying them. I had already fried one batch, and then this is the second one. Just showing you guys that once the oil was under low to medium, once it was hot, do not wait till the oil is really hot, and then just a small dollop to check if the oil is perfectly hot or not. And then added making the donuts here just by squeezing in the batter and then cutting it with the scissors to get that perfect round. And another thing, just make sure you do not cut the plastic with the tip because it might be dangerous then. And here you saw the donuts were already turning golden. We just have to fry it till golden, not brown, because it might change the color. So showing you some more of my third batch here. I've just cutting it with the scissors to get that perfect one, as I said. And here just make sure the donuts, the temperature of the oil is very, very important. Do not fry it on the high flame, low to medium. Repeating again, low to medium. And then in 3 to 4 minutes they were done. And here are your 3 ingredient perfect donuts ready. So let me also show you how soft and moist it is. See, it was very soft and very moist from inside. And let me show you some toppings for it, because as we did not add any kind of sugar to the donuts, here are some coatings. This is the favorite and the easiest one. Just powder the sugar or even use the icing sugar and mix the donuts. Here are your easiest coating ready, topping ready. These are just powdered sugar. And then second one, what I like again is some sugar glazed one, which is just 5 tablespoons of icing sugar, 1 teaspoon of warm milk, and then 1 teaspoon of butter at normal temperature. It's not really melted, but this a bit very soft. Here I'm adding the butter to the sugar and then giving it a good whisk by adding little milk at a time. Just make sure you do not add the milk all together. Just see the thickness as you want. You can, as you can see in the video, that the thickness, I like it this way. You can even make it more runny and then coat it, but I like this one, the way what we get at the Krispy Kremes, the icing, the sugar glaze. And the same sugar glaze I did it again with the same measurements. Here what I'm adding extra is 1 teaspoon of the cocoa powder to make the chocolate flavored one. And this is totally optional. You can just take some Nutella and then coat it to make your life easier. And here are the 3 toppings ready. These are the sugar ones and the chocolate ones with some sprinkles on the top, and the best one, that is with the sugar glaze. And just to show you guys, I have just shown the very little quantity of the toppings, I mean the sugar glaze and the chocolate one, so you can just double or triple the quantity according to the donuts you have made. And I'm sure you all will love this recipe, so do give a try right now. Hurry up guys. And coming to my extra points, just wanna highlight that you can always make the half quantity of what I have shown for the donut, because I was making a larger batch. And do follow me on Instagram and share the pictures what you have tried from my channel. I would love to share it on my feed. And like I always say, also like my Facebook page. I'm sure you all will love it there. And I hope you have subscribed to my channel till now. If not, please do. And thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.